Tesla spotted stacking structural battery packs at Gigafactory Texas. What's happening? At the Gigafactory in Texas, Tesla has seen the stacking of structural battery packs. What exactly is going on? The Tesla Gigafactory in Texas has been reported to be stockpiling structural battery packs, and it appears that this stockpiling is taking up a significant amount of space. We looked through the various possible causes. It appears that Tesla is getting ready to ramp up manufacturing of the new Model Y all-wheel drive (AWD) with 4680 cells soon, because the third level of Giga Texas is currently crammed full with structural battery packs that are waiting to be installed in new vehicles. Curious to know more? Well, stay tuned for that. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Having said that, let's get into the video. This design is made possible by Tesla's newly released 4680 battery cell, which can now become an integrated component of the battery pack and, by extension, the chassis. Elon Musk, the chief executive officer of the firm, compared the layout to that of airplanes that use their wings as fuel tanks. It is believed that structural battery pack structure used in the Model Y will improve the vehicle's overall performance and efficiency. Despite this, Tesla has had a difficult time successfully increasing production at the Gigafactory in Texas. In June, we reported that Tesla had successfully increased factory output by a large margin. However, this increase corresponded with the company's decision to begin manufacturing Model Y automobiles, utilizing the antiquated battery architecture of 2170 cells. This prompted speculation that Tesla's production ramp-up at its Gigafactory in Texas was stymied by a lack of 4680 cells, which was mostly confirmed by the company. During a drone flight that took place early in the morning, Joe Tegmeyer observed hundreds of structural battery packs located on the third floor of the facility. The fact that the letters YSB are painted on the side of the crates that hold many of the packs is evidence that these are, in fact, Model Y structural battery packs. Furthermore, the packs have seat risers directly onto the pack. This is an innovation that Tesla initially demonstrated at the Giga Berlin County Fair and the Giga Texas Cyber Rodeo, which was then broken down in great detail by Munro and Associates. The primary question that has to be answered is whether or not these packs were constructed in Giga Texas or whether they were brought in from some other location, such as Tesla's factory on Cotto Road in California. During the earnings call for the second quarter of 2022, Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, Drew Baglino, stated that the 4680 cell production equipment had been built and commissioned at Giga Texas and that the company hoped to officially begin production of the 4680 in the third quarter of the year. Previous drone flyovers have shown that the installation of the aforementioned apparatus can also be seen in the third story. Giga Texas was likely responsible for the production of the cells contained in these packs. Given that we are getting close to the end of the second month of Q3, August, it's possible that Tesla also found a flaw in those packs, which means that the problem needs to be fixed before such packs can be incorporated into the production of cars. Even though the Model Y with 2170 cells is merely a stopgap measure, this, at least, reveals that Tesla is still working on improving structural pack output, which is believed to be required to ramp up production at the Gigafactory Texas. If they were made at Giga Texas, it is strange that they're still in the shipping containers as they were just built there. This is it, everyone. Do you suppose they were manufactured in Giga Texas or somewhere else entirely? Leave a comment and let us know. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, if you haven't already done that. Also, put on the notifications because the next video is going to be a great one.